Marathon Digital reports $97.5 million revenues in Q3 2023 with massive surge in Bitcoin production. Marathon Digital Holdings, a prominent Bitcoin mining company, has announced a remarkable financial performance in the third quarter of 2023. The company reported a substantial 670% year-on-year increase in profit, primarily driven by a nearly five-fold rise in Bitcoin production. Marathon's Q3 earnings releases here. Revenue of $97.8 million due to 467% increase in hash Bitcoin production and higher BTC prices. Adjusted EBITDA improves to $43.7 million. 8% increase in hash rate, expanding with hydro-powered ventures in Paraguay. Long-term debt reduced by 56%. Marathon Digital Holdings NASDAQ, MARA at Marathon DH November 8, 2023. In the third quarter of 2023, Marathon achieved a net income of $64.1 million, equivalent to 35 cents per diluted share. This impressive turnaround represents a significant improvement compared to the same period in the previous year, when the company reported a net loss of $72.5 million or 62 cents loss per share. Revenues for the third quarter of 2023 reached $97.8 million, marking a substantial increase from the third quarter of 2022, when revenues were $12.07 million. Marathon's Q3 report shows surge in Bitcoin production and prices, boosting financial results. Marathon attributes its improved performance to several key factors, including a 467% surge in Bitcoin BTC production, increasing from 6.7 mined BTC per day in Q3 2022 to an impressive 37.9 BTC per day in Q3 2023. Additionally, a 32% rise in average Bitcoin prices contributed to the company's success. During the third quarter, Marathon produced 3,480 Bitcoins, representing a significant increase from 2,926 in the previous quarter and only 616 in the same quarter a year ago. Notably, the company reported gains of $31.7 million from digital assets, with 66% of the generated Bitcoins in the last quarter being sold to cover operating costs. Marathon's energized hash rate saw a remarkable 403% increase during the same timeframe, while also highlighting its improved uptime, increasing its U.S. average operational hash rate by 18% from the previous quarter to 14.2 exahashes. Furthermore, Marathon reported that its new facility in Garden City began energizing operations last week and is expected to be fully operational later this month. The company is also preparing to energize its first joint venture and its inaugural international location in the United Arab Emirates UAE. Marathon Digital strengthens financial position, gears up for hash rate expansion. Marathon CEO and Chairman, Fred Thiel, said the significant progress has helped strengthen the firm's balance sheet ahead of the Bitcoin halving event scheduled for April 2024. This includes a $417 million note exchange completed in September, reducing long-term debt by 56%. Thiel noted, for the first time in 2 years, our combined cash and Bitcoin holdings exceeded our debt at the quarter's end. Furthermore, Marathon looks ahead to reaching a hash rate of 26 exahashes by year-end 2023, with plans to grow the hash rate by approximately 30% in 2024 after launching its 27-megawatt hydro-powered mining venture in Paraguay, which was announced on November 8. A webcast and conference call discussing Q3 2023 earnings was held by Marathon Digital Holdings on November 8, 2023 at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Meanwhile, the webcast will be available for replay via the investor relations section of the company's website. Despite the positive earnings report, Marathon Digital MARA stock experienced a 6.9% decline during the regular session on Wednesday. However, in after-hours trading, shares rebounded modestly by 0.8%. It's worth noting that MARA stock has seen impressive growth, rising nearly 140% this year, outperforming the 73% gain in Bitcoin BTC prices. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, A Quick 3-Min. Read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.